Welcome viewers. In this video, we are going to discuss about the celestial sphere. Astronomy is the study of celestial objects and their physics. As the astronomical objects are at such remote distance, casual observation of the sky offers no information on their actual distances. The sky is considered as the inside of an imaginary sphere of indeterminate radius that surrounds the Earth. It provides a convenient surface on which to draw and study the directions and motions of the celestial bodies. For these purposes, any astronomical object can be thought of as being located at the surface of the imaginary sphere. This imaginary sphere is known as the celestial sphere. To study on celestial bodies, it is necessary to know about the basic concepts of the celestial sphere. The Earth rotates about a diameter from west to east. Due to this rotation, the celestial sphere with all the celestial bodies to rotate from east to west. The rotation of the celestial sphere is about an axis which is parallel to the axis of Earth's rotation. The axis of diurnal rotation of the celestial sphere is called the celestial axis. The great circle of the celestial sphere perpendicular to the celestial axis is the celestial equator. The tangent plane at the position of the observer to the surface of the Earth produced in all directions meets the celestial sphere along a great circle. This great circle is called the celestial horizon. The direction of a plumb line at the position of the observer produced in both ways meet the celestial sphere at 2 points. The point straight above the observer is called zenith and the other one is called nadir. The celestial equator and the horizon meet at 2 points or the east and west points. The meridian meets the horizon at 2 points or the north and the south points. The great circle passing through the north and the south pole is called the celestial meridian. The horizon divides the celestial sphere into two hemispheres. The observer on the surface of the Earth cannot see the objects in the hemisphere below the horizon is known as the invisible hemisphere. The hemisphere above the horizon is known as the visible hemisphere. The secondaries to the equator are called the declination circles. The secondaries to the horizon are known as the verticals. In the course of the diurnal motion, the position of a celestial body on the horizon, where it enters the visible hemisphere from the invisible one, is called its position of rising. The position on the horizon, where it enters the invisible hemisphere from the visible one, is called its position of setting. The sun moves along a great circle eastward, describing about 1 degree per day. This annual motion of the sun is only apparent and is due to the Earth's annual revolution around the sun. The path of the apparent annual motion of the sun is called the ecliptic. So far, we have seen the construction of the celestial sphere. With the use of this imaginary sphere, the rising and setting of the celestial bodies are being determined by considering their positions on the celestial sphere. Thank you.